नमस्कार. वंदे मातरम. Respected Srikanth Rajnikar. He is outstanding personality who has emotionally intimacy with Hindu culture. His sacrifice and crack of his work. He is inspirable to us. I can't explain in words, but know about them. My thanks, respected Srikanth Rajnikar, that you touched our Charbuga soil. Also thanks my professor, invited incomparable, outstanding personality Srikanth Rajnikar. Most welcome. We honor to Srikanth Rajnikar.
आदरणीय श्रीकांत नांदलकर, आपण आमच्या या छोट्याशा चंदगुर्गातील गरीब पालकांना विद्यार्थ्यांना मार्गदर्शन करावं. आपण खूप चांगलं बोलता, खूप चांगली मदत आपण करता. आमच्या अपेक्षा एवढं आहे की तुमच्या हातानं या मुलाचं